Hello, good day you all. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to swap metawar token to BNB, USDT or any token of your choice. In this same video you can use the same process to swap Minerium BSC, Nabob token and Xylem Finance. Okay, so this is my trust wallet. So I'll be going to the apps. I'll be searching for Bunny Swap, app Bunny Swap .web .app. And I have to be a bit patient. Click on Trust Wallet and I'll be typing in my seed phrase so I can log in to Bunny Swap. Don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more and more amazing videos. This is the only way you can help me in building my channel. Don't forget to click the like, share and subscribe button. Make sure you stick with me to the end of this video so you can get all the steps without making mistakes. I'll be keeping the link to the website in the description below together with my WhatsApp number, so in case you have any difficulty you can chat me on WhatsApp. I will always be available to reply your messages. This might only take a while, but I will make sure I reply all messages. Okay, so I've logged into my wallet. As you can see, my balance is 2 Ethereum. So I'll be clicking Smart Chain here. So I want to swap metawar token to USDT, but I do not have metawar in my wallet because I'm not a fan of airdrop. So I'll be swapping Ethereum to a little metawar so I can show you as a sample, but I can't find metawar right here. I'll be going to my bscscan.com in my normal web browser, bscscan.com. Then I'll be searching for metawar. I'm going to copy its contract address, then go back to my trust wallet, pasting its contract address here, then import metawar. So I can swap one Ethereum to metawar. I'll swap one Ethereum to metawar as a sample so you can understand better, because I do not have metawar in my wallet. As you can see, I've swapped one Ethereum to metawar. So I'll be swapping my metawar now to USDT. I'm going to swap any amount I like. I can swap 40,000. I can also swap 60,000. I can also swap 70,000. Any amount of my choice. So I have to be patient while it loads. As you can see, the transaction is successful. As you can see, the gas fee is written below. Make sure you understand that this gas fee is not a stable fee. It fluctuates. Sometimes it's very less, sometimes it's very high. So as you can see in this video, I was able to swap my metawar token to USDT in my trust wallet without any challenge, without stress. So make sure you click the like, share and subscribe button. Make sure you drop your comments after you must have swapped your token. Make sure you don't forget to hit me up on WhatsApp if you have any challenge. I will always be available to help you. Thank you so much.